I don't know. My video is getting. It didn't record it. Oh my gosh. I'm disappointed. I've been talking for nothing. I've been talking for nothing. So I make some sinigang. Salmon sinigang. Then I have rice. See? It's already cooked. Now we're gonna cook some bananas for dessert. No, hot. So this is our sinigang. I don't know, I've been talking earlier about my sinigang and it's not recording it. Oh my god, what's wrong to your Lola, your grandma? Tastes good. So anyway, this one we have salmon. See, we have salmon, onion, tomato, ramen lettuce, and lemon juice, and salt and black pepper. That's our ingredients in that. Now we're gonna fry some. We're gonna fry banana for dessert. Sorry guys, I don't have a cameraman. Nobody's doing. Just me doing everything, cooking, videoing, and everything. Everything's just me. I cook, I clean, I eat. We'll put oil, a little bit of oil, so we could cook banana. For dessert. We're gonna buy that nice tripod. I don't have a nice tripod, that's why my video is like this. I'm so sorry. I'm just a beginners, guys. Just the beginners. That's my frying pan over here. I think we just move it, maybe. We have to move it so you guys could see it. I think so you could see it. There you go, at least. Lift up a little bit. No. Down. There you go. Now you could see it. You could put the banana like this. Hindi pa mainit. Oh my god. I have a crappy video. Tagal uminit. Sorry guys. That's how it look like right now. Or, mabagal yung ano. Kasi maano yata. Hello everyone! Again, I'm back. Video ko ng video kanina tapos hindi naman pala naka-record dahil ang lola nyo, ewan kung nagkamali lang. Nandito tayo sa isang park, so that's why it look like that. I imagine this as I'm in the bukid, in the farm. Look at all those trees out here. So during the summer, that one have leaves and there's gonna be a lot of shade in here, like that. So it's really beautiful out here when summertime. That's a lot of leaves in that thing. So behind me is I think a soccer field. So that's why it's a lab over here. I feel like I'm in my own farm. But anyway, we're cooking in my sinigang out here. Is ready to rumble. That's waiting for the banana to cook for my dessert. See, almost done. Let's eat. Ayan ang aking lunch for today. Yeah, this is my lunch for today. I have have my sinigang and rice, and have my fried banana, blueberries, and of course my rice and my sinigang is right here. And I have my tea. And so let's eat mga kababayan. Kain tayo. Nandito tayo sa piling nasa bukid. Piling nasa bukid ang lola nyo. Kanina dakdak ako ng dakdak. Ewan ko kung maganda yung paka-video. Mahirap talaga wala kang nagbibideo sa'yo. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Tapos yung lola nyo ay beginners. Lola nyo beginners lang. At mayroon tayong Moroccan mint tea. And this is my favorite. Tagalan nito sa akin. Maganda talaga ang nito quality. Kaya baka naman. So good. So anyway, ayan, kain na tayo. Tikman natin ang ating sinigang na salmon. Sinigang to the lemon. Ito yung lemon, ganito kalalaki yung lemon. Marami tayong lemon. May nagbigay niya sa akin. Yung pinsan ng asawa ko. Dati kong asawa. Ay, ang sarap talaga. Feeling ko talaga pag ganito ko outdoor, nasa bukid ako. Yung romen, tamo medyo malutong pa. Kasi hindi ko siya pinakuluan. Nung naluto na yung lahat, nilagay ko siya, tapos tinakpan ko lang. Kaya malutong-lutong pa. May blueberry tayo pero bukas na yan. It's so good. Masarap talaga kamit. Nag-quit na akong mag-inom ng kape. Kaya nga pala. Nag-quit na akong mag-inom ng kape dahil sa tea na ako ngayon. Ngayon nag-lose weight nga ako kasi walang milk. Hindi katulad noon pag nagkakape ka lagi kang may mga sarap na creamer, di ba? At ang mahal pa. Ang mahal pa ngayon ng kape. Tsaka creamer. At dahil nagbaban life nga ako, so madali itimpla yung tea. Pakulo ka lang ng tubig. I-ready mo na sugar in tea. or lagyan mo ng lemon, okay na. Eh kaysa magano ka, magkakape ka na ko, kailangan may creamer ka lagi para masarap. At saka yung tea, pag lumamig na siya, pwede pa rin inumin. Pero ang kape, aywan ko, di ko mainom ng malamig. Saging. Tapos may dessert. So anyway, I just the beginner YouTuber. But I'm doing van life most of the time. So next time I'm gonna rearrange my band again. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Ang mahal ng tomato ngayon. Roma tomato. $1.50 a pound. Kung dati namamahala na kami sa 99 cents a pound. Ngayon $1.50 a pound. Pinakamura na yun ha. Or else it's gonna be $1.49 or $2.49. $1.99. Tulad yung mga apple ngayon, apple and oranges. $1.99 a pound. Rinig yung ibon. Yan ang kagandahan pag outdoor ka. Yung mga ibon ka naririnig. Nakapagtataka, walang uwak ngayon. Usually, kahit saan ako pumunta, may uwak. Ngayon lang walang uwak. Kapagtataka. Kain tayo ng tomato kasi yung kamatis antioxidant niya sa katawan. Mas lalo na kung sariwa, sa salad. Ay, ganito lang buhay ng lola niyong gala. Gala ng gala. Ang mga bundok. Maganda ka sa bundok, hindi tayo bubumbahin. Drink water. I need to buy hibiscus because this is my hibiscus container. Ang sarap ng plantain. Sa South America maraming plantain. Sa Philippines is puro saba. It's really good. Ang mahal ba ng salmon? Isang hiwa lang yung pang grill na ganun ka lap na ganun. $10 na kaagad. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I just a beginner YouTuber. I just started. Before I put YouTube, but it's added constantly now. Like I need to do it so more often. So please support my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.